how would you say that? Weight pocket access doors. I'm making weight pocket access doors. That's what I'm making right now, okay? And I've already got my jamb leg laid out, all right? I know that, for example, my sash is 32 1/4. It goes up to right there, and it's gonna fit in that slot right here. This is my parting bead slot. So my sash is 1 3/4 or 1 3/8 wide. So this line here represents where my sash is going to fit. In between this pulley, there's going to be a window stop right here, okay? This is upside down for you guys, but this is important to understand, this window stop area that holds my sash in place in this part right there. Because when I'm going to cut a line right here for my for what do you call it, for my door. And it's in this parting bead slot, so you can't see it. But then I'm also going to cut a line where the window stop goes, so that you can't see that cut either. The only cut that you will see is this cross cut right there. Okay, and so what I did is I just picked some arbitrary numbers that are pretty standard, right? So I pulled up 6 inches and I went up 20 inches. That's my marks for that, okay? That's gonna be a cross cut. And then I turned it up on its edge, okay? And I came in about 3/4 of an inch from those marks, and I transferred those to lines on the back. And I'm gonna cut those out, and that's gonna make me a little pocket door, okay? The wood is still going to be intact, okay? Everything's still going to be attached, but it's like a breakaway. It's like a breakaway door that will only come apart when you need it to come apart later on in the future. This is what you call mercy on the next guy, and you're anticipating the next person to come after you is going to want to work on the windows to change out the ropes. And so he's going to really appreciate these little doors being here. So anyway, so I got my table saw all set up. I've got my tools all set up. I'm going to use this here to make my cross cuts. And I'm going to drill a hole with that. But the majority of it's going to be on the table saw. Okay. So let me see what my first cut's going to be. My first cut, I'm going to cut it, what, 1 5/8 from the fence. Okay. So check out how I do this. All right. The other two, I mean. I'm going to go ahead and move my fence to the next line. Let's see. And that's going to be, I'm going to come over from my cut, I'm going to go 2 inches, right? And from the fence, that's going to be 3 3/4. All right. So I set my saw fence over here. Okay. Excellent. Okay, but that's a table saw on that. And then I get this guy here. Okay? I'm only going to do one of these, I think. Okay, and so what that did, I got that cut. Basically, I cut halfway through right there, okay, and I cut halfway through right there. So my wood is still connected all the way through there. But if I needed to break it off, I can pry on this guy here and break that tiny little space of grain right there. That's not really strong. So I've got the same thing here. So there's a connection that goes just like that. So the wood is still intact. Here's what the last thing I'll do is get my drill here and put a hole there for my screw, and that will complete the process of cutting the pocket hole doors, or the weight pocket access doors. So it's pretty cool, right? Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you got something out of it. Check back later for more stuff.